what would happen if a supercar ate a tank and then asked for seconds? Meet the Lamborghini LM002. They call it the Rambo Lambo, but I call it the Countach that failed its diet and joined a mercenary group. Under the hood, a screaming V12 built for posters, not for parking lots. It turns premium fuel into noise, heat, and your credit score. The Pirelli Scorpion tires special order, gripping sand, gravel, and your savings account. Rotate them, and your accountant rotates you. Steering, imagine a nightclub bouncer on roller skates. Brakes, more like a friendly suggestion. Interior is leather, wood, and switches that look like they're borrowed from an Italian power plant. Ergonomics by close enough. Cup holders, your hand. Miles per gallon, single digits on a good day, downhill with the tailwind. The fuel gauge moves faster than the speedometer, and yet, take it off-road and this thing actually slaps. Dunes, rocks, nasty tracks, it's ridiculous but weirdly capable. If the Urus was the polished LinkedIn profile, the LM002 was the unhinged cousin who shows up and steals the party. Daily driver? Probably not. Cars and coffee flex every single time.